Alright everybody, I had a face swap between Ronaldo and his wife Georgina. This is the main video and this is the video by Roop. This is the Georgina's face and yep. The best AI face swap in this world. I teach you how to use this machine here. First we need to go to the Roop Floyd folder. I also made a video how to install this incredible stuff here on your machine in my channel. As you can see, here is the channel. You can go to videos and this is the video about how to install Roop Floyd, Roop Unleashed, old name Roop Unleashed on your PC. So first we need to go to Roop Floyd folder, then type cmd. We need to run the Roop Floyd on our system. Then type conda activate my env. This is the way to activate the virtual environment. Then we need to run this Python file here, python run.py. All right, we need to wait to Roop Unleashed run. On the CMD, you can see all the things that is going on. All right, Roop Unleashed, which is running on based on Python 3, 11, 13, Torch 2.5, Gradio 5.42.0. All right, this is the Roop Unleashed. First, we need to find our source images or facets here on the desktop. I need to set the Georgina's face to Ronaldo on this video. Yes, this is uploading and you can see the face. The Roop Unleashed has recognized the Georgina's face by itself, and then we need to import our target face, Ronaldo's face here. We need to wait until the video is uploading. It based on the size of the video. If the larger size you are uploading, you need to take more time to upload this thing here. All right, as you can see, the video has been uploaded around like 1 minute. So we need to, of course, we need to check this one, use face from this frame. This is crucial. If you not select this one or click on this one, you cannot have the target faces. So we click on this one, use face from this frame. Then we need to select the post processing. Always use code former because I think it's the best one. Subsample upscale to, this is the quality of the video or the swap. If you say the higher one, 512 pixels, you have the better quality output. I select this one because I need this one to be quick, and selected one face. Then we need to click on start and waiting till the video process is going to be finished. And also in the CMD, you can see that all the things are going on. Here is the processing 2%, 3%, and yep. You need to wait, and the estimated time is like around 4 to 5 minutes. It's based on power of your GPU and the CPU. And finally, as you can see, the video has been created and the face swap is completely done. So as you can see, here is the Georgina's face on the Ronaldo's face, and yep. And in the end, if you have any further questions, you can comment down below. You can, and also I want to say you can this incredible AI for your business, for your channel, or anything you can tell. Thank you.